Welcome back to Tech Solutions. In this short video, we're going to set up a simple localhost server on your computer and load your very first web page through it. A localhost server basically turns your own machine into a mini web host so you can test websites, projects, or experiments privately before they ever go online. It's a safe sandbox, and developers use it constantly, so you'll see how simple it really is. First, let's open the browser and type localhost. You might see a blank page or a default message, which just means your computer is ready to run a server, but nothing is active yet. Now I'm creating a new folder on the desktop and naming it My Site. This folder will act as our website directory. Inside it, I'm adding a new file called index.html. This is the main page your server will load by default. I'll open it and add a simple line of HTML such as a headline or a welcome message. You can write anything. The goal is just to create a file the server can serve. Next, I'll open the terminal inside this folder. This step is important because the terminal needs to point exactly where your website files are stored. I'm starting a lightweight local server here, and you'll see the command appear on the screen. Once the server starts, the terminal will show a port number, usually 8000 or something similar, which tells us where the server is running. With the server active, I'll switch back to the browser and type the local host address with the port, such as localhost:8000. As soon as I hit enter, you'll see the web page load directly from the HTML file we created. This means the server is successfully hosting your project locally. Now I'll demonstrate one useful feature of working this way. If I go back to the HTML file, make a quick change, maybe add another line or edit the text, and save the file, then refresh the browser, the page updates instantly. That's the beauty of a local development setup. Whatever you edit reflects right away. When you're finished testing, you can stop the server by returning to the terminal and closing it with a simple shortcut, which you'll see on the screen. And that's it. You've just set up your first localhost server, created a web page, and served it directly from your computer. This is the same workflow used for learning HTML, trying frameworks, running WordPress locally, or building full applications. Keep experimenting and stay tuned for more practical and beginner-friendly tutorials right here on Tech Solutions.